Hello and welcome. Baby is now 7 months, and so in today's video, I'm going to be sharing the 7 months milestone of baby Blessing. Get ready because she is a busy crawler. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to our YouTube channel. If this is your first time tuning in, we are a nice little family from Jamaica living in Canada. So in today's video, I want to go share with you guys baby's milestone. So Blessing is 7 months, so we're gonna look into some of the stuff that she should be doing at 7 months.
Blessing. Good morning. Good morning, Blessed. Hi. You stretching? That was a big yawn. Good morning. You're so cute. You're so cute.
Now I'm gonna make some of this one for Blessing. It's rice cereal, and she loves it. Yeah, good. Are you gonna eat some cereal? Ah. Mm-hmm. Open. Mmm. Good job. You want some water? Mm-hmm. Good baby. So usually we walk to the bus stop to get her brother and sister on the bus for school. And it's cold outside, but of course we're bundled up really warm. And it's also good for Blessing to just be outside, get some fresh air and everything. So the little walk in the morning is really good. It also helps to make her sleepy as well for her morning nap. Blessing, what is that? No, thank you. So Blessing is getting into everything these days, so we have to be so careful. I'm thinking I need to get this dresser secured to the wall and some plugs for the plugs, some blockers for the plugs. Make Blessed come. Oh my goodness. It's time for you to take your bath, okay? Hey. Blessing, she is not listening to me, okay? Blessing, look at mommy. No, thank you. No, thank you. Uh-uh. Let's go to the bath. Come on. Come on. So Blessed absolutely loves to take her bath. She loves the splishing and the splashing and all the fun that comes with the water. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Happy and you know it, clap your hands. Happy and you know it. And you really want to show it. Happy and you know it, clap your hands. So while I'm lotioning her, I just take the opportunity to massage her and stretch her and give her a little exercise in the meantime. Say hi. Hi. Okay, so my little angel is sleeping. She usually goes down for her morning nap after her bath and her breakfast and her walk and everything. So this is one of the milestone. Baby, they now have like a sleeping pattern. Okay. Hi. So okay, what are some of the things that baby should be doing at 7 months? And they should be sitting by themselves with no support. And look, you can see in her hand here, they should be able to hold a toy here. So they're graphs like that with all 5 fingers. Good job, Blessed. And they can, if you partially hide something, they will know that it's still there. Yeah. So they should be able to like find partially hidden objects. Yeah. Yeah, she knows it's still there. Good job, baby. Blessing. Hi. So also they respond to their no. No crying. No. So they're starting to like recognize different tones from parents. Hey, 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 hey. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. Yeah. So they should also be able to eat finger food by themselves. Mmm. Is that yummy? Is that good? Yes. Yes. Hi. Come get your toy. Here. Listen. Here is your toy. Whoops. Come get it. Keep coming. Keep coming, Blessing. Yay. Come on. Come on. You can do it. You can do it, Blessing. Yay. Say thank you. Yeah. This is Blessing when she's watching her favorite show. Thank you guys so much for watching my video today. I hope you guys liked it. And if you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for more. Bye.